Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tool you will need for this repair is a Phillips head screwdriver. What we have with us today is a Samsung side-by-side refrigerator. The complaint was that it was not freezing or cooling in the fresh food section. Upon arrival, I noticed that there was a lot of frost on the back wall. I took apart the back wall of the refrigerator and checked all the components, the heater, the sensors, everything tested out fine. That being said, what that's going to leave is the main control board here on the back. So now we have pulled the refrigerator out, and we're going to start by removing this plate to replace the main control board. These are just two Phillips head screws holding on the metal plate. Now grab from the top and pull it down. Now release it to gain access to the main control. Each one of these wiring harnesses are a Molex connector with a tab on it that you'll have to press in order to pull out. They're kind of stationed where they're going to go, so you shouldn't have a problem figuring out how to put it back. Once all these are removed, you will have to push down on the pins here, grab a part of the board to pull it forward. And then slide it out. Now, put your board in there, start from the top. Slide it under the tabs, slide in the metal or the middle spacer there. Make sure you don't get any wiring caught up in there. And when you push it back, I would recommend pushing down on the tabs to not push any pressure on the actual control board. And next, just replace your wiring harnesses. And be very careful so that you don't bend any of the metal pins when you're doing this. This one feels a little stiff, so I'm going to check the pins. None of them are bent, so it's just kind of a tight fit. Clipped in. Put all your wiring harnesses back behind the holsters. Now that this is complete, now let's replace the back panel. You will notice that there are two tabs right here. They go into the notches on the bottom. Start by placing them in there. Slide up and replace the two Phillips screws. Now, plug your unit back in, make sure the compressor starts to fire up. This will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.